Hi guys, welcome back to Fidget Toys, and today I'm going to show you my favorite fidget toys. And one is the worst favorite fidget toy, like they're out of my favorite group, and 10 is my favorite fidget toy of all the fidget toys. So yeah, let's get in. Okay guys, so this is a fidget pad, and I like the way this goes like in a circular way. You could do either side, and it's like really nice and smooth. I like this button as well, and you could make it in the middle if you want to, like this. I like the way it's like a remote control, and these are like nice little stuff you can move with buttons. Okay, so let's go on to this one. I think this is 12-sided fidget cube. Has all these different types of buttons and different types of activities. Like this is a texture button, it's dangly, you can just like pull it, this big switch, and there's this fidget cube as well, and has these buttons. My favorite one is this ball where you could tap and move it around. And now to the next fidget. Okay guys, so this is the slimes. They're all in one, and this is number 2, and this is this like really nice like slimy greenish one, which I really like. So just close this up. I like the way the texture is nice and like the slimish greenish, like it's dark green. This is a nice like glowing slime. What I like about it is that it comes with instructions, but I just didn't put them in this video. And you could pop, like you can make both and then pop it, and it makes this nice crunching noise if you hear. And now for the final one, this like one that's in an egg right over here. This is what I like about it. It's that it's nice blue. It's like the ocean. Okay guys, so now we'll go to number 3. Okay guys, so this is the fidget rings. These are all in one again, and this comes in number 3. And I think they're really nice because if you have a lot of them, you could just like squish it and it makes this nice noise. And I like the way they could go like they roll around. It's like a massage to your fingers. And that's pretty much all I got to say about them. So next fidget. Okay, this is number 4. They're called wheelies because they're like really roundy and they're like a wheel a little bit, and they're like magnets that you could put on your fingers, then you could just roll around with them like that. And they're pretty good fidget, and that's all I gotta say about them pretty much. So next fidget. Number 5, bike chains. I really like the way you could have it with one hand. It's just that if you don't know how to do it, it's pretty bad, but then once you get the hang of it, it's really fun. Sometimes I have to do it with 2 fingers, but it's a really good fidget, and that's all I gotta say. Okay guys, this is number 6, the snake. You could do it in lots of different shapes. Like this looks kind of like a sword or something, and it's pretty nice. It's just that you can't just do like everywhere like that mostly. And yeah, it's a good fidget. Okay guys, this is number 7, and they're called monkey noodles. You could stretch them a lot and they just feel really nice, better than I expected when I was getting them at first. And these are really like, they're nice, and I like it the way when you have them a lot and you can just squish it like that. So next one. Okay guys, this is a tangle. The tangle is really nice, and I just really like it, and that's what's about it. So yeah. Okay guys, this is a poppet. Poppets are really nice, and I like the way it makes this noise. And if you're getting one, there's always a quiet side and a loud side. Okay, next fidget. Number 10, wacky tracks. Wacky tracks are really nice, and I like to tangle them up like this and then just release it. And I just really like these. They're really nice. And anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.